So again, back to this kind of dovetails with the previous slide. Not all statements of work are created equal. So by and large, when you look at a statement of work for an implementation, you should see like a baseline configuration. So just the high level setup of your account. Most parties should be very equal. Where you will see the biggest discrepancy is around data, user acceptance training, and then also how that resource is supporting you at your time of go live. So again, we've already touched on data and how important that is. So with data, you're talking about open financial transactions, balance sheet, trial balances, item records, maybe if you're doing e-commerce, all those images, things like that. User acceptance training, usually depending on the complexity, you may have several rounds of this. At GVO, we usually start with the leadership team as our first walkthrough where we say, your system's 80% baked. Did we meet your requirements? And then we'll have a group where maybe it's your supervisors, where now it's more they're living in it day to day where they can add some input. And then finally, depending on the size, we may also have the end user that's maybe out on the factory floor going through and testing. So you should see multiple iterations in your statement of work. And then lastly, go live support. This is one that I'm very adamant about because this is where rubber meets the road, and this is where I will see it very much understated on statements of work, where you may see a statement of work that says, yes, we will give you 20 hours of go live support on that first week.